Repair your glasses with Bondic. First, remove residue from the surface with the Bondic Clean Pad. This allows you to create ideal conditions for sturdy attachment. Activate the Bondic LED. Apply Bondic on the respective damaged areas. Bondic remains liquid for years and only becomes solid through contact with the Bondic LED. Harden Bondic using the LED. Apply Bondic in layers until the desired strength is achieved. Thanks to the Bondic LED, Bondic hardens completely within few moments. Your glasses are immediately ready for use. Now you can repair damaged casings with Bondic. Activate the Bondic LED. Apply Bondic in several layers until the shape has been restored. Harden each layer of Bondic with the LED while applying. File to a smooth surface with the enclosed file. The jack is fully functional again. Insulate a broken low-voltage cable within seconds. Remove residue from the surface using the Bondic Clean Pad. Activate the Bondic LED. Apply Bondic on the respective damaged areas. Bondic remains liquid for years and only becomes solid through contact with the Bondic LED. Apply Bondic in layers using the LED until the desired strength is achieved. Your battery charger is now fully operational again. Protect the edges of your valuable devices. First, remove residue from the surface with the Bondic Clean Pad. Activate the Bondic LED. Apply several layers of Bondic until the edges of your devices have been covered. Harden Bondic using the LED. Your device is now effectively protected. From now on, unnecessary protective sleeves and bulky rubber frames become obsolete. Bondic enables you to maintain the value of your devices. Attach decorations or other objects to any surface. Activate the detachable Bondic LED. Apply 1 drop of Bondic to the surface. Harden Bondic with the LED while applying desired amount. You can now hang up your keys or decorations on an invisible miniature hook. Bondic remains fluid and hardens only when the Bondic LED is used. Bondic only hardens when you desire. The Bondic set contains the Bondic pin, 1 cartridge, a Bondic LED, and 2 clean pads to remove residue from surfaces.